Welcome to our channel. Welcome to one of the jewels of the Caribbean, where history whispers through the swaying palms and nature's grandeur dances with the echoes of time. An island where the past is not just a memory, but a living, breathing part of the present. Where emerald rainforests cradle ancient secrets and turquoise waters cradle the dreams of new explorers. The little jewel known as St Lucia. Endowed with its breathtaking natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture, this island paradise beckons explorers and wanderers from all around the world. Join us as we embark on a journey through time and nature, uncovering the treasures of this enchanting destination. Our journey begins with a step back in time. St Lucia, like much of the Caribbean, bears the marks of colonial history. Fort Rodney, perched high above Pigeon Island, serves as a testament to the island's strategic importance during battles for supremacy, whispers stories of an era long past. St. Lucia's history is a tapestry woven with tales of conflict and conquest. The island changed hands between the French and the British multiple times, leaving an indelible mark on its culture and architecture. These historical sites offer not only a glimpse into the past, but also stunning panoramic views of the present, showcasing St. Lucia's timeless beauty. As we delve deeper into St. Lucia's history, we uncover tales of resilience and transformation. In the 17th and 18th centuries, the island was a coveted prize, changing hands a staggering 14 times between the French and British. This turbulent past forged the unique cultural blend that defines St. Lucia today. In archives and museums today, one can find centuries-old documents and artifacts, telling the stories of the enslaved Africans and indigenous Caribs who shaped the island's destiny. The echoes of their struggles are woven into the very fabric of St. Lucia. The imposing Church of the Assumption stands as a beacon of faith and a testament to the enduring spirit of the island. Its architecture reflects the island's changing hands and the harmonious coexistence of cultures. A true gem of Soufriere's architectural heritage, Caribbean hues and French design, decked with an ornate wood ceiling. Admiring its facade and centuries-old charm, we learn about its role in the island's history and culture. The Freedom Monument. The sculpture by Ricky George honors slaves who helped to defeat the British in 1796, honoring the island's ancestors and the resilience of its people. As we take in the beauty, we can't help but feel a sense of connection to the island's rich past. As the sun sets over St. Lucia, it casts a golden glow upon these historical landmarks, reminding us of the island's ever-evolving story.
This is Piton?
Yeah. It's also one of the World Heritage Sites on the island.
Yeah.
This is what, right in front of us there, this is why they have the symbol from the UNESCO.
Our journey through time has only just begun, as we explore the depths of this rich and vibrant history. As we leave the pages of history behind, we embark on a new chapter, a journey of wellness and rejuvenation. Centuries before the arrival of European colonizers, the indigenous Arawak and Carib peoples called this island home. Their intimate connection with nature laid the foundation for the wellness traditions we explore today. St. Lucia's wellness heritage was further enriched by its volcanic terrain. Beneath the surface lies a treasure trove of minerals, each with its unique healing properties. The practice of wellness, dating back to the indigenous peoples, thrives in modern St. Lucia. At the heart of this legacy are the sulfur springs, a place where the healing power of volcanic mud meets ancient rituals. The sulfur springs, known as the Caribbean's only drive-in volcano, has been revered for generations. Indigenous people believed it to be a place of spiritual significance, and over time, it became a sanctuary for wellness. Visitors from around the globe pilgrimage to these sacred springs. They immerse themselves in the age-old practice of applying volcanic mud, believed to purify the skin and rejuvenate the soul. We reflect on this extraordinary blend of history and wellness. The roots of St. Lucia's rejuvenation traditions reach deep into the island's past, reminding us that wellness is not just a trend, it's an ancient art passed down through the ages. St. Lucia's natural splendor provides the perfect backdrop for those seeking peace and vitality. Yoga enthusiasts from around the world find their sanctuary amidst the emerald embrace of the rainforest. The ancient practice of yoga harmonizes with the island's natural energy, offering a profound sense of balance and tranquility. But it's not just the rainforest that beckons wellness seekers. St. Lucia's beaches, kissed by the Caribbean Sea, offer a haven for relaxation. Here, you can indulge in spa days that draws from the island's abundant natural resources. The healing power of St. Lucia's mud baths and mineral-rich volcanic springs is renowned. The mud, drawn from the sulfur springs, purifies the skin and invigorates the soul. These wellness rituals have been cherished for generations. Luxurious resorts where travelers immerse themselves in a world of rejuvenation. From massages on the beach to holistic therapies, St. Lucia offers an array of ways to reconnect with mind, body, and spirit. Our quest for wellness and rejuvenation is a testament to the island's innate ability to soothe and restore. St. Lucia, an eastern Caribbean island, home to volcanic beaches, the Pitons, magnificent dive sites, lush vegetations, and gardens blessed with an array of flora and fauna, lined with stays from luxurious resorts to very low-keyed, laid-back accommodations. Our voyage through time and nature now takes us to the heart of St. Lucia's remarkable natural wonders, places where history and Mother Nature intertwine in breathtaking harmony. Long before the arrival of Europeans, St. Lucia's indigenous peoples thrived in these verdant rainforests. They revered the land, leaving a legacy of stewardship that endures today. The iconic Pitons, those majestic twin peaks, have been the silent sentinels of St. Lucia for millennia. They bear witness to the passage of time, standing tall as guardians of the island's history. The Pitons are not just geological marvels. They are the result of volcanic activity that occurred millions of years ago. They offer a window into the geological history of our planet.
Within that region, there are 7 smaller craters like here and 18 lava domes. And the lava domes includes the Pitons, the Piton and the Gros Piton, but they are closer to the seashore. And amongst the 7 craters, here is the only active one.
Adventurers and nature enthusiasts journey to these ancient giants, hiking to their summits in a quest to touch the sky. Each step echoes with the whispers of generations past. St. Lucia's rainforests, one of the last surviving of the Caribbean islands, harbor secrets and stories that date back centuries. Indigenous people, colonial settlers, and enslaved Africans all found solace and sustenance within these emerald depths.
Valley of Paradise. To your right, we have where we talk 2,619 feet above sea level. In meters, that would be 798 meters. So the hike there would be 2 hours up, 2 hours down, depends on your walking pace. So the trail will be to the back, which is on the ocean side. So if you look, there is a community to the base of Gros right here. Here is the community of Montjalib. That's where you pay your entrance fee and you head up to Pitons, which also means Valley of the Free People. So back in slavery time, when the slaves ran away from the slave master, they would hike to the base of the Pitons right here.
We marvel at the resilience of nature and the rich history it cradles. Our journey through St. Lucia's natural wonders is a testament to the timeless allure of this Caribbean gem. The echoes of history reverberate through the thrilling adventures that beckon on the island of St. Lucia, a land where the spirits of explorers past seem to whisper encouragement.
But on this side there is this wall structure. It was part of an original bath built in the past, but it got reconstructed in 1902 by a local businessman called Charles Gabriel. But again, due to hurricanes and storms in the past, the house got demolished. So basically what we're viewing here is remnants of this bathhouse. But the temperature of the water that comes out of there, it's quite warm. It is 45 degrees Celsius, which is 115 Fahrenheit. And this water is very concentrated with the mineral iron, therefore it's not drinkable. If you mix it, you can take a bath. It's good for your skin, very good for your joints. But if you consume it like ordinary water, it's not good because you can cause constipation.
Long before zip lines and scuba gear, indigenous peoples roamed these lands, masters of navigation and exploration. They left trails through the rainforests and ventured into the deep blue, charting the unknown. Today, the island welcomes thrill seekers from around the world, inviting them to experience the rush of adrenaline amidst these ancient landscapes. Zip lining through the rainforest canopy, they follow in the footsteps of those who explored before them. The sense of adventure is in the very air here. Whether you're soaring through the treetops or exploring the underwater world, St. Lucia offers a playground for those with an explorer's heart. While the iconic Pitons may steal the spotlight, St. Lucia's lesser-known treasures are equally captivating. Hidden waterfalls, like veiled secrets of the rainforest, invite intrepid souls to discover their beauty. With every dive into the azure depths, adventurers pay homage to the explorers of old who navigated these waters with hope and wonder. The spirit of adventure continues to thrive in St. Lucia, a testament to the island's enduring allure. Local markets come alive with the craftsmanship of St. Lucian artisans. The legacy of creativity and craftsmanship is passed down through generations. The architecture of St. Lucia bears witness to the passage of time. Colonial-era buildings, like living pages of history, are now home to thriving businesses and vibrant communities. St. Lucian culture is a blend of African, French, and indigenous influences. The rhythms of their music, the flavors of their cuisine, and the energy of their dance all tell a story of resilience and unity. Every step of dance, every beat of the drum, is a tribute to the ancestors who endured hardship and celebrated life in the face of adversity. St. Lucia is not just an island of breathtaking landscapes, but a tapestry of diverse cultures woven together by its resilient people. As the sun kisses the turquoise waters, St. Lucians gather in a joyous celebration of life. A tradition passed down through generations, the carnival. At the heart of St. Lucian culture lies Carnival, a dynamic celebration of music, dance, and color. The rhythms of soca, calypso, and steel pan music fill the air as masqueraders adorned in dazzling costumes flood the streets. The Carnival Parade features a kaleidoscope of masquerade bands, each with its unique theme and choreography. From the glittering carnival queens to the stilt walkers who touch the sky, these masqueraders embody the spirit of celebration. St. Lucia's Carnival is not just about music and dance. It's about unity, family, and community. The celebration fosters a sense of togetherness, and everyone, young and old, is encouraged to take part. As St. Lucia looks to the future, Carnival remains an integral part of its identity. It's a vibrant testament to the resilience of the island's people, a celebration that embodies the spirit of St. Lucia, a spirit of unity, love, warmth, culture, and joy. The island's volcanic soil has blessed St. Lucia with an abundance of fresh produce. For centuries, the land has yielded a cornucopia of flavors. The art of cooking in St. Lucia is a reflection of its diverse heritage. Indigenous ingredients blend with African and French culinary traditions, creating a symphony of taste. Their cuisine is a fusion of history and innovation. It's a celebration of the ingredients their ancestors cultivated and the creativity of their chefs today. As night falls, we witness the fervor of St. Lucia's cultural festivals. These celebrations echo the spirit of a people who have, for centuries, reveled in the joy of life. St. Lucian street food markets are a tapestry of flavor, where vendors carry on the traditions of generations past. Here, every dish has a story to tell. As the stars illuminate the Caribbean night sky, we dine on the rich flavors of St. Lucia, savoring not only the taste, but the tales of resilience and abundance that have shaped this island. The spirit of conservation has deep roots in St. Lucia. Throughout its history, the island's communities have recognized the need to protect the fragile balance of their environment. St. Lucia's coral reefs are among its most precious assets. These vibrant ecosystems teem with life, and local initiatives are working tirelessly to safeguard them for future generations. Our coral reefs are the guardians of our shores, and their preservation is a testament to the dedication of St. Lucians. Through community-led efforts, they are nurturing these underwater wonderlands.
He got a spread. He got a spread. Where when go out? Where did Devin? Chili! Chili!
Was that lionfish?
Yeah.
You spared those?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Plenty more in there as well.
Wow. Oh, so you guys been fishing all morning?
Nah, we've been working. When I was maintaining the moorings and I just sped them as I go.
Okay, you're actually marine rangers?
Whilst I was waiting for him, I was fishing.
Ah. I saw the sign, but I figured, they're just fishing. Yeah. Okay. Respect.
The pristine beaches of St. Lucia, untouched by time, are a testament to the commitment of those who labor to keep them free of pollution. These shores are our legacy to future generations. On land, sustainable farming practices are flourishing, ensuring that the island's rich agricultural heritage is maintained. The St. Lucia of today is a testament to progress. The island has embraced modernity while cherishing its traditions. Education has been at the forefront of St. Lucia's journey. Schools and universities stand as beacons of knowledge, nurturing the leaders and innovators of tomorrow.
You have been molded from grade K up to grade 6, so you know what Balata stands for. Now, as our theme says, you have to be bold. So when you step into the new chapter of your book of life called secondary school, you step in boldly. Okay? Remember, you are representing Balata and me. Okay? Give it your best. Don't be afraid to challenge. You challenge respectfully. Don't sit in a corner like a little deck, like you always say. If you don't understand, you put up your hand and you respectfully say you do not understand. If you disagree, you also respectfully, note I said respectfully, you said you disagree. Okay? Now, for the first term, you are representing Balata. You're not representing the school you're going to. Because if you do something, you say, this Balata child. So for the first term, you are representing Balata. Even if you are in a different uniform. Thereafter, second term, you'll be representing your school. Be courageous. Don't be afraid to join groups. When I speak, I mean uniform groups. Like Red Cross and this sort. Be courageous. Put up your hands and answer questions. Whether you're right or wrong, answer the question. If you are wrong, the teacher will correct you. I don't want you to stay in a little corner because you're at a new school. You will get to know your friends, but be courageous. You have to be yourself. Not because your friend behaves a certain way, that means you have to behave that way. Not because your friend is bougie and you're marrying that you have to behave bougie. You remain true to yourself. Same way you are Balata, you remain like that. Okay, Miss Sassy? Yeah, my little Sassy one. So you have to be yourself, be bold, be courageous, and be yourself.
St. Lucia's future lies in the hands of its youth. They are driven by a profound appreciation for their heritage and a determination to build a brighter tomorrow. St. Lucians are known for their warmth and friendliness. You can feel a genuine sense of welcome and hospitality from the moment you stepped foot on the island. Smiles comes easily, and conversations are often filled with laughter.
Chili! Chili!
They value their traditions passed down through generations and take great pride in their cultural and heritage, a resilient people whose history reflects strength, determination, and a deep-rooted sense of community. Visitors to St. Lucia often find themselves not just exploring the island's landscapes, but also forming deep connections with its warm and vibrant people. Our journey through St. Lucia's past, present, and future reminds us that this island's strength lies in the warmth, love, and unity of its people, the wisdom of its traditions, and the hope for a sustainable future. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more travel experiences. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.